Now to your health alert, a nationwide rollout of the vaccines by Pfizer and Moderna will begin later this week after the CDC considers guidelines to prepare Americans for the season when infections usually rise. Rachel Mentoff has more. Take a look.
Shortness of breath, it felt like the flu, and it was really scary.
Elsa Portillo says she welcomes the added protection that an updated COVID booster shot brings, especially ahead of a potential winter surge. Her most recent COVID symptoms lasted about 2 weeks, and she's had all of her boosters up until now.
I didn't get it. My flu symptoms or my breathing would have been worse.
On Monday, the Food and Drug Administration gave the green light to an updated version of the Pfizer and Moderna COVID vaccines, which should provide the best protection against a slew of variants and subvariants. A CDC advisory committee will meet on Tuesday to vote on recommendations for who should get the booster. It will likely have the biggest impact on older individuals, people with underlying conditions, as well as those who are immunocompromised.
For those people who are particularly vulnerable, it will definitely be something that will be strongly recommended. And then for the rest of the population, we'll see what CDC thinks in terms of what they're seeing and who will benefit most.
Dr. Anne Ramoyne, a professor of epidemiology at UCLA, says yearly COVID vaccines will probably become part of our new normal.
This vaccine will likely, like the flu shot, be available every year in an updated version and become part of the normal vaccines that we get on a yearly basis to protect us from respiratory pathogens.
The Biden administration is marketing this as an annual shot as opposed to a booster, likely because much of the public is vaccine fatigued. More than a year after the Omicron boosters were rolled out, only 17% of those eligible for the last shot have actually gotten it. For Nicky Granados, the booster is especially important. He works in the service industry as a bartender in downtown LA. He preemptively made an appointment to get his 4th vaccine.
Like me being around people all the time for my job, it would be nice to know if I'm getting this from other people, that people are at least trying to not spread it as much, and because it's tough not being able to work, we got to survive.
Now, this approval from the FDA is just the first step. Once the CDC gives the green light, vaccines will be shipped out to pharmacies, which is set to happen by the end of this week or early next week.